This is the Conklin Coronet fountain pen. The pen comes in a blue cardboard sleeve that slides off with a blue leatherette Conklin box. The Conklin logo is embossed on the top of the lid and gold stitching to match around the edges. It is a hinge style lid on the top of the box which lifts open with the Conklin logo embossed in gold on the underside of the box lid. Included with the pen is some warranty information. The pen sits on a false bottom and 2 standard international ink cartridges are included to get you started with the pen. And of course we have the Conklin Coronet fountain pen. This happens to be the olive color. They all have a silver trim, traditional Conklin shaped clip with the Conklin logo engraved into the clip. A plain silver top to match with a silver ring here at the center of the pen, and actually the section's unscrewing on me. It just pulls out, so it's just a snap compression cap. Snaps on, snaps off, and will post on the end of the pen as well. There is Coronet engraved on the back side in a black color as well on the cap. Matching silver section with the rest of the pen and a stainless steel silver nib with a black feed. Since it's a cartridge converter pen, the section unscrews and there is an ink converter included with the pen for use of bottle inks as well. Just great new pen from Conklin. They got some wonderful nice colors to it. Get your Conklin Coronet fountain pen at penchalet.com.